Wait a minute! Who says I have to live like this? Why must I settle? Where is it written that I have to suffer my days? Lying on a pile of cast-off dirty clothes?
In the doggy handbook, Momo, chapter 1, right after scratch the door to get out.
No, don't you see? This is my destiny. I was the runt of the litter, abandoned by a cruel pet store owner before my eyes even turned brown. But a kindly fourth-grade class on a field trip rescued me and took me into the bosom of their classroom. Oh, how I yearn for that golden puppyhood. It's been my lifelong dream to return.
What's he talking about? What's he doing?
I am going to school.
Gasp! Out there? You can't!
Oh, can't I?
Hey, son. Look at that weird kid running on all fours.
Now I've seen everything. Oh no, not here, not now.
Are you okay, kid?
I'll be fine. The color of it just shocked me, that's all.
Yeah, it's yellow, all right. Well, see you later.
See you later.